In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Alipay app from Google Play Store. If you have been trying to install this app but you are unable, then follow these steps to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for Play Store app. Open it and make sure first you log in with your Gmail before you can install this app. However, if you are already trying to install the app while logged in but you are unable, then go ahead and click on your email profile icon up below and then scroll down to settings. Now from settings, look for these network preferences, and here we need to go ahead and make some changes. At this point, you'll see more options here and we have 3 of them. Go ahead and look for app download preference. At this point, tap on it and choose the first option over any network. This will ensure that you are able to download and install Alipay while using the current network you are connected to. At this point, go ahead and tap on OK to save these changes. Once you are done, now go ahead and try and install Alipay, and this should have fixed your issues. However, if you still experience any challenge, then the problem might be with Google Play Store itself. For that, we need to go ahead and access Play Store app info page by going to the app and then long press on it, and then you should see app info. If you can see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Go ahead and tap on any of this. Access Google Play Store app information page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Play Store, and of important is this cache data. So when cache data accumulates, this might hinder the app from operating optimally, and one of the challenge might be facing issues while trying to download apps. Now for this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and OK. And as you can see now, our cache data has been wiped. At this point, go back to your Play Store, tap on it. Now let's go ahead and search again Alipay and then tap on the search here. And now if I go ahead and tap on it and install it, now you can see I'm able to install Alipay app. So that's how you can fix can't install Alipay app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.